I'll be using the Retechnique brushes. These are the new Retechnique brushes. This will launch this year. I'll let you know when this is out. Okay, primer, I'll be using the Too Faced Peach primer to prime my skin.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
After I've done that, I'm going to take this jelly highlighter, and this is by Revolution. Right. And it bounces, so you see. So you just take that. I'll use this as an illuminator. Then for foundation, I'll be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. I'll mix it with a little bit of the NYX foundation. And contour my face. To highlight my face, I'll use the Revolution concealer, the Concealer and Define Concealer in C12.5. I'm using the plus size one. You know there's a mini and a plus size. I'm using the plus size. And I'll blend using a damp Retechnique sponge. Blending that, I'm going to contour using the Iconic London foundation in the shade 5.1.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
These brushes are amazing. To blend the nose.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I'm going to set the under eyes, like the center of my face. I'll be using the Too Faced Peach powder.
And
To bronze my face and to set the contouring in place, I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer. I'll use this brush by Too Faced.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Powder, I'm going to take the NYX powder, the center of the face first.
What's left, and on we'll go.
Dust off the excess powder on my face. What I'm going to do next is to spray my face to remove all the powder in face. I'll use this spray by Mahogany. The Too Faced Pretty Rich Lips Gloss. For highlighter, I'm going to use I'll leave the shade name on the video. This is how the packaging looks like. Packaging is really pretty. Then you have the highlighter in there.
Finding life alone.